Hello everyone. Welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about the set and reset function in PLC programming. This is a fundamental concept used in automation for latching outputs. So, let's get started. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Understanding a normal coil. A normal coil is an output coil used to control an output device in a PLC. The coil is energized when the conditions in the logic rung are true and de-energized when the conditions become false. Here's how it works. When the input condition, such as a push button, is activated, the coil activates. If the input condition is no longer true, the coil deactivates. The coil does not retain its state when the input condition changes. For example, when button 1 is pressed, pump 1 activates. When button 1 is released, pump 1 deactivates. How the set instruction works. The set instruction is used to latch an output. This means that once activated, the output remains activate even if the input condition deactivates. Here's how it works. When the activate button is pressed, the set function activates pump 2. Even if the activate button is released, pump 2 remains activate. The output stays latched until another condition activates the reset instruction. How the reset, unlatch, instruction works. The reset instruction is used to deactivate an output that was previously latched using the set function. Here's how it works. When the reset instruction is activated by the deactivate button, it deactivates pump 2. The output will deactivate when the reset condition becomes true. Major advantages of set reset function. 1. State retention, the output remains activate even if the input condition disappears. 2. Reliable latching, ensures that an output stays in the desired state until it is deliberately changed. 3. Efficient control, useful in automation applications where continuous operation is required. And that's it. Now you understand how the set and reset functions work in PLC programming. I hope this explanation was clear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.